New into the power supply market, MSI has been really expanding a lot recently, famous in like motherboards, graphics cards, but now they've expanded into power supplies, coolers, monitors, and even laptops. So it's actually amazing how much they have grown over the past few years. So this is one of their newer offerings. This is the MSI A650GF. Well, is it any good? Because, well, the brand is good, right? But is this any good? Let's find out. Hey guys, this is Chester here. You guys are watching our channel right here at Chester and Unboxing. Today we'll be taking a look at the MSI A650GF. So GF not for girlfriend, not for girlfriend. So this is a gold rated power supply that expects to compete with the likes of, let's say, the Corsair RM650 and all the other brands out there. Okay, so a quick look around the box. 80 plus gold and stuff like that. Yeah, stuff like that, because I will be explaining a lot later, right? So yeah, you can see here in the graph that it's really very efficient. It's about 90 to 89% around there, depending on which region you are living in. Okay, and stuff like that, and the dimensions and everything, which I will be covering around in a short while. Meanwhile, let's open this box up because it's very heavy and my arms is starting to ache. Included in the box, you'll find the power supply itself. You'll find a bag of... You find a bag of cables, because this is a fully modular power supply. More about that later. User manual and important information. For example, like place the power cord in a way that people are unlikely to step on it. Why is it so important and so thick? Why is it so important? Because this is a power supply. In every computer system, the power supply must be the most stable unit inside, because if the power supply goes, the system goes. As simple as that. No, this is not a bag of toys, okay? So it comes with the power cable. Okay. What is this? Screws for installing this onto the chassis. Okay, this is your bag of accessories. You'll find a few cables. So starting with the fattest, the motherboard, the 24-pin. Obviously, you're only gonna have one of them. Okay. You'll find a couple more other items.
Stop it. Get some help.
So I've already managed them. So we have already mentioned the motherboard 24-pin. Okay, it's one of the few power supplies that actually come with two CPU EPS connectors. So it will actually support boards that require two of the 4 pins. Okay, it comes with two sets of PCIe cables, but take note, this is a 1 in to the power supply to 2 out. So you can actually run a single cable for a graphics card that require 2 or more. Okay, and the accessories, so for example, Molex. This comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes with 4 Molex and a special accessory. I can't remember what this is. Okay, and in terms of floppy, SATA, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It comes with 8 SATA connectors. So yes, that's a lot of accessories for a power supply like this. Okay, so let's move on straight to the power supply. So the power supply itself, as mentioned, is fully modular, which means that there is no cable sticking out of it. So it's good because you get to have a very tidy power. You get to have a very tidy cable management, because the cables that you don't need, well, it is not there. Okay, it is 100% Japanese capacitors, so the quality is there. Okay, it's not just some cheap, knockoff, but it's actually good quality. It's 80 plus gold certified. This particular unit is 650 watts. So 90% of that would be, I can't my maths is not very good. Yeah, but it is very stable. This is your motherboard, CPU, VGA, SATA, and Ferical. Alright. So on the other side, this is just the explanation of it. It's not single rail, by the way. Yeah. On the other side of it, your power connector and your power switch, and that's about it. I believe this is a 140mm fan, So it's good because it's better than it's bigger than 120 millimeters, which means that the fan doesn't need to ramp up as loud to push as much air if the unit gets hot. Alright, so let's measure the dimensions of it first. The length, it is 16 cm or about 6 1/3 inches. The width, it is 15 cm, so or 6 inches. The height, it is about 8.8 cm, that's about 3.5 inches. Okay, so overall, I would say this is a pretty potent machine that is going to be capable of running even your 30 series, NVIDIA 30 series graphics cards. Anyway, this will be the end of our unboxing and first look at the MSI A650GF power supply. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.